So, finally, we're live. So, I had problems with my computer. So, what's up, guys? Joe45 Joe Sports, live. We break 1526. SP Authentic 1450, and this is a double box break. And we can break, we can start. I won't close my computer. Pack number one, we start with a young gun for the Vancouver Canucks, Adam Glendinning. First autograph, Alexander Koklachev, Future Watch Auto out of 999, Boston Bruins. We have your retro New York Islanders, John Tavares. Future Watch out of 999 New York Islanders, John Persons. We have the Future Watch Limited, 19 out of 25, Arizona Coyotes, Brendan Gormley. I love those limited. And we also have a Premier Prospect Retro Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Dwayne. Hide your face, hide your wife. We have the Mike Santorelli, Toronto Maple Leafs.
Hide your what?
Hide your face.
Hide your face, hide your wife.
We have the all-time moment, New York Islanders, Mike Bossy. Next, we have a modern moment, LA Kings, Tanner Pearson and Tyler Toffoli. Also have a retro, Chicago Blackhawks, Mariano Hossa. Predict update, Anaheim Ducks, Matt Beleskey. Come on. Future Watch out of 999 for the Edmonton Oilers, Bogdan Yakimov. Bogdan Yakimov. Next, we have the all-time moment, Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. A predict update for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Future Watch out of 999 for the Anaheim Ducks, Chris Wagner. We have your retro Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Modern moment, Colorado Avalanche, Semyon Varlamov. We have your retro for the Chicago Blackhawks, Steve Larmer. Second autograph is a Future Watch out of 999, Detroit Red Wings, Timo Pulkkinen. He scored tonight. He's now playing with Arizona. Modern moment, Florida. What? Oh, it just froze. Okay. Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. What the hell was that? That was strange. So, two last packs.
Illuminati.
Future Watch out of 999. Buffalo Sabres, nice one. Sam Reinhart. And last pack. We have the retro for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Alright, so that is it for box number 1. That was strange. It really was strange. Box number 2. Illuminati, bro. Pack number 1, we have a base card for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad. Surprise. Surprise. Pack number... Oh. Whoa. Alright. Finally, I made it. We have a all-time moment. New York Islanders and Edmonton Oilers. Mike Bossy, Wayne Gretzky is going to be random number 1. Let's hope he's going to be the only one. Next, we have a modern moment. Anaheim Ducks, Timo Salani. And we also have a retro Columbus Blue Jackets, Scott Hartnell. Next, Young Gun, Winnipeg Jets, Julien Brouillette. Future Watch out of 999, New Jersey Devils, Seth Agelson. Retro, New York Rangers, Brian Leetch. Future Watch out of 999, Columbus Blue Jackets, Marco Dano. We have an all-time moment, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Redemption, what do we have? Future Watch out of 999 for the Vancouver Canucks. Bo Horvat. So that's going to be autograph number 2. We have your retro Minnesota Wild, Jason Pominville. Second half of box number 2. We have a modern moment, New York Rangers, Marty St. Louis. A predict update, New York Rangers, Keith Yandel. Future Watch out of 999, New York Condors, Scott Mayfield. What do we have next? Premier Prospect Retro. Boston Bruins, David Pastrnak. Modern moment, New York Rangers, Derek Stepan and Ricky Nash. Did I say Ricky Nash? It's Richard Nash. Sorry, guys. What the hell was that? Yes, I think I'm drunk. Next, we have your predict update. Winnipeg Jets, Michael Hutchinson. 4 packs left. Future Watch Auto out of 999 for the Florida Panthers, Vincent Trocheck. We have your retro Toronto Maple Leafs, Matt Sundin. Future Watch out of 999, Dallas Stars, John Klingberg. And last pack, we have a Sign of the Time, buyback from 13-14, Carolina Hurricane, Ryan Murphy. And we also have a retro for the Montreal Canadiens, John Leclerc. So now that the break is done, there's one thing to do, and it is what it is. What it is.
Random time.
Random! Oh. And I'm so happy to do that random. I'm a big fan of those randoms. Really am. So as you guys can see, Frank is sit right now. As usual. Alright, so we have the New Year calendars. The Edmonton Oilers. And that's about it. So good luck, both of you. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Winner is the Edmonton Oilers with Wayne Gretzky. So I'll be right back with Series 2 in 2 minutes. Thanks, guys.